I have an issue. And so
create drama here.
That's what I'm
Drama.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Not good morning. We are actually on the road, on our way to our next section of the Appalachian Trail. And today we will be starting at Boots Off Hostel is where we're headed.
If you ask me how I really feel, the best things in life's for free. We are all part of the deal. You either tie it down or let it be. You figure out you might as well sit back and enjoy the show. Might be the end for all we know. Ooh, hey.
And here it is. We got an upper bunk. That's where Kevin will sleep. And a lower bunk. It has AC, which is nice. And a fridge and a coffee pot. Here is the bathroom.
Is that the best you can? Or do you just wanna be a man with a simple soul and a simple...
Such a cute shower. So we're here in our cabin at the Boots Off Hostel, and it's so cute here. It is really cute. The cabins and stuff are very simple, but very clean. Everything is very well done here, and even getting reservations and all of that was super easy as far as they're super organized. But I have an issue. And so
Create drama here.
that's what I'm
Drama. Okay, tell us what the problem is.
That's what I'm dealing with right now. So I have two Hyperlight packs.
You have two?
Yes.
Oh, I have two as well, yeah.
One is the 70 liter and one is the 55
70
liter.
liter? Where are you going? Like you walk into the Grand Canyon with that thing? That's a massive one.
Peanut gallery needs to calm it. So my 70 liter, I've been using that. That was the first one that I got, and it was just kind of big for some of the things that we were doing where we weren't going as far and we didn't have like maybe just 3 days or something like that. But when we're doing something like 5 days, like a 5-day food carry, which is what we're doing this time, I need to use that 70 liter because when you pack up this 55 liter to 35 pounds, it is very uncomfortable. And so I packed up my white Hyperlight, my 70 liter. I got it all ready, and I looked on the strap, like right on this area right in here. I don't have it with me. And it was unraveling from the seams, and it's only 3 months old. Very disappointed. So
Highly disappointed.
So now I'm having to do my 55 liter, and it is packed tight. So tonight I got to go through it and see what can I get rid of, because 35 pounds in this pack is not comfortable at all. These little straps dig into your shoulders and it's not a good thing. I have a feeling though that I have some little things stashed here and there that I probably don't need. All of a sudden my first aid kit seemed super fat. So unless I'm planning on getting 20 blisters over the course of 5 days and the blister pad doesn't stay on, I don't think I need quite as much as I have. So I'm going to go through this and I'm going to try to thin down and see how I can get rid of some stuff.
So, if you saw a previous video, I was pegged as her father. So I think this has had like a kind of a undercurrent of she's afraid she may lose me on the trail. So I'm thinking that that's why her first aid kit's getting pretty thick. I mean, I looked in there. There was like an AED. There was like this pump, this cardiovascular pump in case I drop. I think she might have even had a stretcher, some gauze, and even like a scalpel. So I'm thinking that she might think she has to do open heart surgery on me in the field because I am her father.
Okay, well, let's just talk about the fact that not only do we have a chair, but we have an ultralight hammock as well.
What? Okay, we got a problem. We can't quit bringing crap. We're all about the luxury.
I know I have several different bug sprays. I have a real fear about the ticks right now.
Okay, can we just talk about the freaking ticks? Like, ridiculous. I was looking at the tick map, and like the further north you go, of course, you know, there are conspiracy theories that it was created in the lab off the coast of Connecticut, just saying. But that area, wow, that is like hit heavy. All right, so quick update. We just got a shuttle to the Goodwill, and we dropped off stuff. We got a receipt for like $5,000. So we're still working, you know, see what else we can find.
So far, I've found some things. This is my little pile so far. So I had a lot of extra stuff, and like, I don't really need the sunscreen because I use a sun shirt and I have a hat, and it's just weighs a lot. I had 2 chapsticks. Not really necessary.
And I'm the one that gets skin cancer.
I had an extra battery I think I could get rid of right now because we charge every night. I had 2 bug sprays, just in case. There's a lot of stuff out there. I had a lot of toilet paper. I had a lot of extra like blister stuff and things like that I don't need. I don't even know what this is. I have 2 rain jackets.
Emergency ponchos.
I only need 1, but somebody didn't bring one, so now he has one.
That would be me.
Alright, so I got rid of this much stuff, which is probably about 2 pounds. Hopefully I won't need it. I'm not giving up my chair or my hammock. This is the first time I've ever used this, and this is fairly light.
Yeah, that's what, under a pound?
Yeah. I just want to have it. But, I probably should look at my food, because this food is like so heavy, but it's 5 days worth of food. So as the days go on, it will get lighter. If I make sure I eat everything this time, which makes me think I should just look it over and make sure there's not any extra food in there that I threw in there. And I'm going to do that. So I'll get back to you.
You may want to proportion out your poop kit based on how much food.
Portion out poop. I don't even know what that means.
So you got enough wipage.
I'm going to leave my bear spray because I'm not really afraid of a bear.
Good thing I brought my guns, Jack and Sledge, the Hammer Brothers. Put a little knuckles to the bear.
All right.
Yeah.
We are now done for the night. I hope I have gotten rid of enough stuff in my bag that it will be comfortable tomorrow. I'm a little bit nervous about it, but I just eat a lot of food. That'll take care of some stuff. So, it's super cute here. So now our plan is in the morning we will be shuttling to Hughes Gap.
Yeah.
And then we will be walking north to Boots Off Hostel. We are going to be visiting the Rowan Highlands, which I'm very excited about.
Definitely.
So, it should be nice. Tomorrow's supposed to be a nice day, so we will see you tomorrow.
Yep.
Get out there.
Have an adventure.
Thanks for watching, and
Be
be
free.
free. See you on the trail.